In this video, we're going to talk about Zoho Thrive. Zoho Thrive will have two different sections, and we are going to talk about both of them. One will be an affiliate program, which means, let's assume that I will have the RingCentral extension. So let's do something like that. Amazing business results, RingCentral extension. Okay, and that will be, let's say, this extension. Let's assume that I want to have affiliates, and those affiliates will sell my extension. Okay, so I will have an offer for people to sell my extension. Every time that someone is selling, they will get commission automatically using Zoho Thrive. So I'm creating an affiliate system. The other side of the software will be a reward system. Let's assume that I have a company, amazing business results. When customers refer business to me or do multiple deals or buying items that I want to promote, I will provide them points. And whenever they're accumulating those points, they can take advantage of those points and buy things. In order to give you a demo, I created the system. This is obviously a dummy system, but it will provide you the idea. I will have here the affiliate program. Later on, I will talk to you about the loyalty. But right now, we're talking about the affiliate. The affiliate program means that I have the RingCentral SMS extension, the one that I showed you here. And every time that someone buys the RingCentral extension from an affiliate, they will get paid for it. So let's see how that works. So first of all, I'm going to define some kind of a commission model. And let's assume that when someone, an affiliate, is selling my product, they will receive 20% of the extension. Okay? This is not real. So we are not looking for affiliates. It's just a demo, okay? Next, I will need to have some kind of an affiliate demo page. So I created in 2 seconds an affiliate page. It provides you the information about the program. Obviously, in the real life scenario, it will look much better. And you will have here a link to join our growing network. So if you click on it, you will have some kind of a form. And whenever the affiliate is filling the form, they will go automatically into my affiliate section. Okay? So in this page, I can customize the form, and I can have here any fields that I want to ask. The form that you create here can be embedded anywhere. It can be embedded as I have it here on a page, or it can be just a link in your email. So you have lots of abilities to play with the form. You can also have terms and conditions and some kind of a message that you want to send to your affiliates. All that can be done as part of the form. Next, you have the notifications, what type of emails the affiliate will receive when they're joining, when there is a purchase, and whenever they are being added to your network. Being added to your network, it's 2 steps. Step number 1 is filling the form. Step number 2, you will need to review it, and whenever you approve it, only then they will receive the welcome package. The welcome package usually will include links, banners, and things that they can put on their social, on their website, so their customers will buy your, in this case, your extension. So they can buy this product. So if I'm promoting this page, I will probably have links on how to buy, banners that are attracting and people will want to click on them. Anything that I can do in order for my affiliates to be able to sell my products in a very easy way. In most cases, affiliates are super lazy because they have lots and lots of inventory. In that case, you will need to provide a very nice and easy to use package that will include visuals, banners, pictures, videos, text that they can just plug and play into their system and start selling your product. Next, you will have the different links. As I said before, you can provide them different links, and those links will be included here. And those will be all the affiliates that are currently in the system. And here you can see all the approvals. People that submitted the form, but they were not approved yet, they will be here, and whenever you approve them, they will be part of your affiliate network. The payout section will be whenever they're selling something, they will be in the payout section, and then you can pay them automatically using PayPal. I never try to pay, so I don't know how it works, but I do know from text and the content that I read that you do have a way to pay them automatically using PayPal. And the last thing will be the performance. You can see what's the revenue, how much people got paid, and so on, conversion rate. All that can be done here in the analytics section. So just to summarize the affiliate program will be pushing your product so other people in other companies can sell your product, and every time that they will sell the product, they will receive commissions. Next, we have the loyalty program. The loyalty program will provide points to your customers whenever they are taking action on your system, which means they are buying something that you want them to buy, referring customer your way, they are sharing a post from social, anything and any action that you want them to take, you can allocate them points. Let's say that I created here the VIP program, and I will create here a task. So if, for example, someone refer a friend, they will receive 10 points. And you can also have here different dates that it can be applied. I will have it everywhere, and I will have it as tier 1. So right now you can see in tier 1, whenever someone refers a friend, they will get 10 points. And obviously you have your share on Facebook and lots of things here. So whenever someone takes an action, they will receive points. You can have here some kind of a widget for your customers to join your loyalty program. You can customize the text, and you can customize the way that people will see your widget. Whenever they join, they will come to your customer section, and you can see them here with all the other referrals. The notification section will be an email that they will receive whenever they are joining your network, and that will be the customer welcome. And also whenever they are earning a reward, they will also receive an email. Obviously, you can turn it on and off, and you can also change the contact as you want. Whenever people giving you reviews, they will also can be here. You can see the review, and if you like it, you can approve it, and then it will be added to the review section. Same with testimonials. They will provide a testimonial. If it's a positive and you like it, you will approve it, and then it will be added to the testimonials. And eventually you can have here a performance review, and you can see how your network is doing. I do know some clients that are using a Zoho Thrive. We tried to use it in the past. Eventually we just have too much work. So if we will pour more gasoline on the sales engine, we will drown. So we didn't do it. But I do know that we have customers that are using Thrive, and it actually works pretty well for them. So I would consider Zoho Thrive as a good to use product. Thumbs up is always appreciated. If you have any comments, shoot them in the comments below. And in the description, we have some links about our company and how we can help you as a Zoho partner.